set up Parento app in your and your kids' devices, first open the Parento app. Tap while using the app to allow. Click Continue with email. Tap Sign up to open a new parent account. Enter your name, email, and a new and unique password. Click on the box to agree with our terms and policies, and then click Sign up. Now enter the code sent to your email. Then click Verify and Create Account. Tap Continue. Choose the Parent option and tap Continue. Now select the things you want to do with your child's device. Tap Start Now. Now download the Child Parento app in your kid's device and scan this QR code to connect with your child's device. Now download the Child Parento app on your kid's device. First, open the Child Parento app. Click on Allow Devices location. Tap on the box to agree with our terms and policies. Enter your child's name. Click and select your child's birth date. Click on Save. To connect your child's device with your device, you need to scan the QR code shown in the Parento app in the parent device. Click on Scan QR code and then click Allow. Scan the code shown in the Parento app, parent's version. Click on Continue. Now follow along with me. Tap on the Disable Battery Restriction button and make sure battery usage is not optimized or unrestricted for the Child Parento app. Tap on Disable Battery Restriction. Tap Optimize Battery Usage. Click on the arrow and change apps not optimized to all. Find Child Parento and turn the switch off to make sure battery usage is not optimized or unrestricted. Tap on Allow Microphone button and click Allow. Tap on Allow Appear on Top button and click Allow Permission. Tap on Allow Background Location button and click Allow all the time. Tap on Allow Notification Access button and find Child Parento app and allow. Tap on Allow VPN Permission button and click OK. Click on Allow Usage Access, then find Child Parento and allow it. Click on Allow Accessibility, then tap Agree and Continue. Then tap Installed Services and turn on Child Parento and click Allow. Now add a PIN, any unique PIN. Make sure it's not same as the phone PIN passcode, so your child cannot change the app settings. Click on Enable Device Admin and click Activate so that your child cannot delete the app.
Now you can see your child's live location on the map in your Parent app. Now tap the Child menu or Child icon and get your child's personalized dashboard. There are many safety features. Enable each feature which is required to ensure your child's safety.
You can enable or disable any feature, and you can delete the history of your child's data anytime. When you enable a feature, the child device automatically syncs it in the background. You can remotely control the child's device without touching it. No need to open the child app anymore. Parento is super advanced in controlling the child's device from your Parent app. Just enable the feature and start to control and ensure child safety.